Hello, welcome back. I'm here today to talk a little bit about my favorite organizing product. If you've worked with me in the last 4 years, you probably have these in your home because I believe in them so much. They are the Vtopmart drawer organizer. So they come in these 4 sizes, which is really fantastic because it means that you can fit them into pretty much every drawer you have. So I love to use them in bathrooms, in offices, in junk drawers in your kitchen. They truly are the most versatile product that I've found on the market, and they also are very great quality. You know, you can use them over and over again. So they're very, very sturdy and able to like manipulate them. They're not going to break down over time, which is obviously fantastic. Whenever I look for organizing bins and containers, I always look for longevity, right? We really want to focus on things that you can use in multiple different spaces because obviously we move or we get new cabinets or we get a new desk, and you want to be able to use that organizing product for years to come, and you want them to not break down. One of the other things that I really love about these is they come with these little grippy stickers, which you put on the bottom here, and it means that they don't move at all in the drawers. So how fantastic is that, right? We don't have to worry about using museum gel or double-sided stickers or anything like that. It just automatically comes with it and stays in place. Super important when you're opening and closing and you don't want it shuffling around. Now, what I love about these two is that they come in the 4 different sizes, so you can use the small cups for things like paper clips, for rubber bands, things like that. You've got this one that fits pens and accessories really perfectly, and then these ones that are a little bit bigger for like tools or paper products. And it really, again, versatility is key with these kinds of drawers because it's always shuffling and what you're putting in them changes. So funnily enough, I actually don't have these in my home. So when I was testing a few other products, so I like to try a lot of different things so that I can confidently recommend them to my clients. And so I had found a really inexpensive set at Winners, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to give it a try in my junk drawer. And they've been in there for a few years, but they're very flimsy. I don't love them. So it is time to finally put these guys in my own home. I'm excited. I'll bring you along for the ride and we'll reorganize that space together today. All right, as you can see, these containers are a bit flimsy plastic. They just don't hold their shape, so they're not ideal for a junk drawer. So I'm going to just do a little switcheroo, take them all out first, and then add our other drawer in. There they are. Perfect. And we've even got some room at the back for some of the bigger items that we can kind of rejig. And look at that, stays in place, perfectly organized, and looks a lot neater. Amazing. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. If you have any other suggestions for spaces you'd like to see organized or products that you'd love to know my opinion on, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for popping in.